Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's maths class. Let us continue the problems from the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. Okay. Now we are in the exercise 13.2 and we have completed first two problems and we need to do the third problem. Okay. Now let me read the problem. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Okay, find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeters and diameter 2.8 centimeter. Okay, a gulab jamun contains some sugar syrup. So when we make gulab jamuns, it absorbs sugar syrup into it. So the percentage of sugar syrup into a gulab jamun is 30%. Okay. So now look at this. A gulab jamun is in the shape of a cylinder attached two hemispheres at its ends. So like this there are 45 gulab jamuns. Now we need to find shaped like a cylinder. Now what we need to find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. Okay, each gulab jamun dimensions are given. We need to find the sugar syrup contained in 45 gulab jamuns. Okay, now look at this. He has given the diameter of the gulab jamun is 2.8 centimeter. D is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Now, diameter D is equal to 2.8 centimeters. Therefore, radius R is equal to 2.8 by 2, 1.4 centimeter. And the total length of the each gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. Now the radius means this length. Here also, this length. Radius we have 1.4 centimeters. Here also 1.4 centimeters. Now, what would be the remaining length? That is the length of the cylindrical portion. This portion is from 5 centimeters length. If you subtract this radius and this radius, means 5 centimeters minus 1.4, 1.4. If you subtract 2.8, you will get 2.2 centimeters. So, the length of the cylindrical portion. So, actually, when we keep a cylinder vertically, we call its height. If you keep like this, we call it as length. So, length can be treated as height. So, h is equal to 5 minus 2.8 centimeters, that is equal to 2.2 centimeters. Okay. Now, what we need to find? We need to find the volume of each gulab jamun. So, in order to find volume of each gulab jamun, is equal to volume of the cylindrical portion plus there are two hemispheres at the ends of the cylinder. So 2 into volume of each hemisphere. Okay. Now this is equal to volume of the cylinder formula pi r square h plus 2 into volume of each hemisphere formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, cubic units. Now, so don't look at this. This is the diagram for the next problem. We need to observe only this diagram. Now, so radius is common for both the cylindrical portion as well as the hemispheres. So let us take pi common and r square common. We get h plus 2 into 2, 4 by 3 r cubic units. Now let us substitute. Pi value has not given, so let us take it as 22 by 7. Okay, into r square. What is the radius? 1.4. Or 1.4. Let us write it as 1.4 into 1.4 into h. Height of the cylindrical portion is 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into r value 1.4. Okay. Now 7 0.2s. So 22 into 0.2 is 2 by 10 into 1.4 is 14 by 10 into 2.2 plus 4 into 1.4. 4.2, sorry, 5.6, okay, by 3. So now let us simplify. So 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 22 into 7 by 5 into 5, 25. Here we can write it as 22 by 10 plus 56 by point. If you remove, we will get by 10, denominator will become 30. Now 22 sevens, how much it is? 154 by 25 into 22 by 10. Let us take the LCM. 30, 10 3 is a 322, 66 plus 56. So we get 154 by 25 into 66 plus 56, 122 by 30. Okay, here if you try to cancel, we can 2 15s, 2 61s. Okay. Okay, this is the volume of 1 gulab jamun, 154 by 25 into 61 by 15 centimeter cube. Okay, now we need to find the volume of 40 gulab jamuns. Okay, now volume of 40 or 45. How many has given? 45 gulab jamuns. 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 45 into 154 by 25 into 61 by 15 centimeter cube. Okay. Now that is the volume of all the gulab jamuns contained in the that container. Okay. Now 45 gulab jamuns volume. Now we need to find the sugar syrup. So therefore volume of sugar syrup contained in 45 gulab jamuns is equal to, here I don't have the place, please copy, I will write here, please note it down. Okay, so I will erase this portion. Okay, now volume of the syrup is 30%. He has given 30%. So is equal to 30% of, what is the value? 45 into 154 by 30% of 45 gulab jamuns. So 30% means 30 by 100 into, we get 45 into 154 by 25 into 61 by 25. Okay. So centimeter cube. Okay. So let us simplify. Here 25, yeah, this is 15. So 15 2s are 30, 5 9s are 45, 5 5s are 25. Okay, and 2 50s. Okay, so please divide for yourself. I get 16902. 169,092 by 5. I did it already. I got 339.38. Actually 500. So this is equal to 5 plus the 25 actually. So I did not cancel this. So keep like this only. 200. So I get this is 16902 by 500. I get 339.38 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the sugar syrup contained in 45 gulab jamuns. What we have done is we found the volume of each gulab jamun. Okay, so by adding the volume of the cylinder and the hemispheres, I got like this. Here we need to find the 45 gulab jamuns. That's why I multiplied with 45, and we need to find only the sugar syrup contained in the gulab jamuns. So that is 30% only. So I need to multiply this value with 30 by 100. That is 30%. I got this value. This is the volume of the sugar syrup contained in the gulab jamuns. Okay, please copy this problem. Sorry, actually I got 338.18. 338.18. Okay. Now look at the fourth problem. A pen stand, look at this. A pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. See, look at this. Here a cuboid shaped pen stand is there to keep the pens. Here there are 4 holes in the shape of cones. So actually the end of a pen, okay, is in the shape of a cone. So to keep it into the pen stand, the hole should be in the shape of a cone. Conical depression. Here there are 4 conical depressions like this. Identical conical depressions. Okay. Now, see what has been given. The dimensions of the cuboid are length 15 centimeters, breadth 10 centimeters and height 3.5 centimeters. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeters. Look at this. Here I have given the radius is 0.5 centimeters and the depth we can consider as the height of the cone. So that is given as 1.4 centimeters. Now find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. Now we need to find the volume of the wood present in the pen stand. The volume of the wood in the pen stand is equal to what we can say. So let us write equal to here. Volume of the cuboid minus, why do we have to subtract? Because the cones means to form the conical depression, we have removed some volume of the wood from the, so to make a hole, some pulp, the wooden portion has to be removed from the wood. To make a hole, when we make a hole, some wood will be wasted. It will be come out. So that volume has to be subtracted. Here there are 4 cones. So 4 into volume of each cone. Okay. So what is the volume of a cuboid formula? L into B into H minus 4 into volume of each cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square H. So this is volume. So we can write cubic units. Okay. Now what are the length, breadth, height? 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into, here pi value is not given, so let us take it as 22 by 7 into r square. The radius is given 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5 and height of the conical portion is 1.4. Okay, centimeter cube. Now let us simplify this. 15 times 150 into 35 by 10 minus 4 into 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 0.5, 5 by 10, again 5 by 10, 1.4 is 14 by 10 centimeter cube. Okay, now 0 will be cancelled. Here 15 5 is 75, 5 7, 53 is 45, 45 7, 52, 525 minus here 7 to the 14. Okay, here 5 to the 10, again 5 to the 10, here 2 11s, so 11 to the, here 4 also there, 4, one more 2 to the cancel, 2 11s are 22, 22 into 2, 44, so we get 44 by, here denominator is 3 into 10, 30 centimeter. Okay, here if you multiply you will get 30 into 525, 15,750 minus 44 by 30, we get 15706 by 30 centimeter cube. If you divide this, you will get 523. I did it already. 53 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the pen stand. So to find the volume of the pen stand, what we have done? So we have subtracted the volumes of the 4 cones. Why? Because to make the holes we need to remove some wooden particles from the wood. So we have to subtract the volumes of all the 4 cones from the volume of this what is that? Cuboid. So LBH minus 4 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. After substitution and simplification we got the answer. Okay. Please copy the problem. Then we will continue the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.